Welcome to the Automotive Quiz, where we explore the fascinating world of car parts. Get ready to test your knowledge and learn more about the components that keep your vehicle running smoothly. Let's dive into our first question. What is the primary function of this component? Is it to start the engine, cool the engine, generate electrical power while the engine is running, or store electrical energy? The correct answer is C. The alternator is crucial for generating electrical power while the engine operates, ensuring that all electrical systems, including lights and infotainment, function properly during your drive. Next up, we have a question about brake pads. What is their main purpose? Do they absorb road vibration, improve wheel alignment, create friction to stop the vehicle, or cool brake fluid? The correct answer is C. High-quality brake pads are designed for reliable stopping power, reduced noise, and minimal dust. They are built to withstand heat and daily driving for consistent, safe braking performance. Moving on, let's find out which component brake pads clamp onto. Is it the brake caliper, brake drum, wheel hub, or brake rotor? The correct answer is D. The brake rotor is a rotating disc attached to the wheel that works with brake pads to slow or stop the vehicle. When the pads clamp onto the rotor, friction is created to reduce wheel speed and bring the car to a safe stop. Now, let's explore the main function of a differential. Does it increase engine RPM, allow wheels to rotate at different speeds, improve fuel economy, or absorb road shocks? The correct answer is B. A high-quality differential is engineered for smooth power transfer, reduced noise, and long-term durability. It's designed to ensure heavy loads and stable, reliable performance in all driving conditions. Let's examine the primary role of an engine. Does it transfer power to wheels, generate electricity, convert fuel into mechanical energy, or control vehicle stability? The correct answer is C. A high-performance engine is designed for smooth power delivery, fuel efficiency, and long-term reliability. It's built to handle daily driving and demanding conditions while maintaining consistent performance and durability. Next, let's identify which part distributes torque between wheels. Is it the CV joints, spider gears, axle shafts, or brake discs? The correct answer is B. Spider gears are small gears inside the differential that allow the left and right wheels to rotate at different speeds during turns, improving traction and reducing tire wear. Now let's uncover a key advantage of this suspension design. Is it lower cost, better tire contact during cornering, reduced engine vibration, or improved fuel economy? The correct answer is B. A double wishbone suspension improves handling by keeping the tire at a more optimal angle to the road during cornering. It enhances tire contact, grip, and stability, making the car feel more planted and predictable in turns. Let's discuss the function of a lower control arm. Does it support engine weight, connect the wheel hub to the chassis, apply braking force, or steer the vehicle? The correct answer is B. The lower control arm connects the wheel hub to the vehicle's frame and helps control wheel movement. It maintains proper wheel alignment, supports the vehicle's weight through the suspension, and allows the wheel to move up and down smoothly while keeping the tire stable during driving, braking, and cornering. Next, let's identify which component combines a shock and spring. Is it the sway bar, control arm, strut assembly, or tie rod? The correct answer is C. The McPherson strut is a suspension design that combines a shock absorber and coil spring into a single unit. It supports the vehicle's weight, absorbs road impacts, and helps maintain wheel alignment. Its simple, compact design saves space, reduces weight, and provides good handling and ride comfort, which is why it's widely used in modern cars. Let's explore the main purpose of a muffler. Does it increase power, reduce exhaust noise, cool the engine, or filter exhaust gases? The correct answer is B. The muffler is an essential part of the exhaust system, designed to reduce engine noise by dampening sound waves created during combustion. It helps smooth exhaust flow, lowers vibration, and contributes to a quieter, more comfortable driving experience without significantly affecting engine performance. Let's explore the function of a spark plug. Is it responsible for injecting fuel, igniting the air-fuel mixture, measuring temperature, or controlling engine speed? The correct answer is B. The spark plug ignites the air-fuel mixture inside the engine cylinder by creating an electric spark. This ignition starts the combustion process that powers the engine, ensuring smooth operation, proper fuel efficiency, and reliable engine performance. Next, we delve into the function of a starter motor. Does it charge the battery, cool the engine, crank the engine to start, or regulate fuel pressure? The correct answer is C. The starter motor is an electric motor that cranks the engine to start it. When the ignition is turned on, it engages the flywheel and rotates the engine until combustion begins, allowing the engine to run on its own. Now, let's consider the role of an engine thermostat. Does it regulate fuel flow, engine temperature, transmission cooling, or coolant pressure? The correct answer is B. The thermostat regulates engine temperature by controlling the flow of coolant between the engine and radiator. It helps the engine warm up quickly and maintains an optimal operating temperature for efficiency, performance, and engine longevity. Moving on to the throttle body, what does it control? Is it responsible for exhaust flow, oil pressure, air entering the engine, or coolant circulation? The correct answer is C. The throttle body controls the amount of air entering the engine. By opening and closing in response to the accelerator pedal, it regulates engine speed and power output, ensuring smooth acceleration and efficient engine performance. Finally, let's examine the main purpose of a transmission. Does it convert fuel to energy, transfer power using gear ratios, control steering, or reduce noise? The correct answer is B. The transmission transfers power from the engine to the wheels by selecting appropriate gear ratios. It allows the vehicle to accelerate smoothly, maintain efficient engine speed, and deliver the right amount of torque for different driving conditions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment which part stumped you the most.